Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the tutorials about WordPress. So basically in this class we will be looking at the slides. So just drag and drop the slides option over here. Okay, so basically this is all about the as of now, if I'm just scrolling horizontally, there are these three slides which you people can see. If you want to add more, you can just click on this add item, and now this fourth slide has been added. So as can be seen, there are 4 dots over here. If you want to add even more, then just click on this add item, and you can add as much as options that you want. Okay, so these are basically the slides that you see over here. So now let me just show you how to customize these slides. Let me just go to this first slide over here. I will click over here, and from here I can change the content of my slide. Okay, so basically this is my first slide. I can change its color, whatever color I want. I can just select it. If suppose I want it to be green in color, then I will select the green. Now let me just go to my first slide, then it's green in color. Okay, but if you want to choose an image, then you can choose image from this place. Let me just choose this one. Okay, so if I'm just going to this my first slide, so as can be seen, for background this is the image what it is showing. So when it comes to the size of this background image, I can just say cover, contain or auto. If I just select the size as contain, then it is just containing the image. Okay, so basically this is the original size of the image, and because of which it is just get contained inside of this much of space. But if I'm just saying auto, then it will just automatically adjust the size. But if I'm just saying cover, then it will automatically stretch the image to cover the entire place over here. Okay, so now this is the these are some of the effects, like if you want to show effects on the image, like currently the effect is zoom in, and because of it is just zooming in. Then there is a zoom out option, then it is just zooming out. As can be seen, it is just going backwards. And if you want to just show this as a background overlay, then you can do that also. Okay, so when it comes to the background overlay, now that image is shown as a background. Okay, so as can be seen, when you select the background overlay option, your slide tend to look much better. Okay, so now this blending option, whether you want to blend the colors, then you can just select these options. Let's see what this do. So basically I had never used this option. Let me just go back. Okay, let's just keep it normal only. I don't have much experience with the blending. And now let's just try to customize this second slide. Let's just go with the second slide. This is the second slide. Okay, so if you want to choose the image for second slide, then I can do that. Let me just select this image. This is my second slide. Okay, so for second slide, this is the image which is given by me, and I will select this as the background overlay. And when it comes to this slide, I can change its content, the content what you see over here from this place. Okay, so this is the content heading. I will say this is firefighter. Okay, just make sure that this first letter is capital and all. Okay, so just go through this. As of now, I'm not making the exact perfection, because this is just for tutorial purpose. And I will say this is description. Okay, so whatever you want to write, you can write, or you can just keep it blank, just remove it, and that description will be gone from here. And next what I have is this button. Okay, now when it comes to this button, what you see over here, this button, whatever text that you type over here, it will come on the top of this button. So I will say press button, and it will change the text on the top of this button as a press button. And if you want a user to take some other link, like if suppose the user is coming and clicking on this link, and if you want to send that user to some different location, like if suppose I want to send a user to the home, then what I'll do is I will copy this home address. I'll come over here and I will paste it over here. Okay, and when the link is applied, it will be applied only on the button, or whether you want to apply it on the whole slide, that you can select. If suppose if you are selecting the option as a button only, when the user will click on this button only, then only that user will be propagated to this link. And if you are selecting the whole slide, then whenever a user will come and click anywhere on this slide, then the person will be taken to this link. Okay, so you can manipulate those options from this place. And next is style. Okay, so if you want to change the style of this slide, style of this particular slide, then you can do that from here. So click on this custom, just custom position on, then you can select the horizontal position, where you are like, if I'm just saying the left, then the content will be shown on the left. If I'm just saying to the right, then content of this slide will be shown at the right. And if I'm just doing center, then the content will be shown at the center. This is the vertical positions. Okay, so where you want to show at the top, then the whether on the middle, center, or the at the bottom position. And this is the text align, whether left, right, left, center, or at the right. Okay, and this is the content color. So you can just select whatever color you want. You can just select this black, then this content will be black in color. You can just select white, and the color of the text over here will be white in color. So basically this is how you can select. And this is the text shadow. Okay, so over here I am having this text. If I want to show them the shadow, then I can just do that. I want to show the shadow of blue, then as of now you cannot see the shadow and all over here, so because of it, it would be a good idea to keep this white, because these are basically the slides. But let's try to show the some slide. Let me just have the shadow of blue color. I will make it a little bit darker. Okay, so this is that slide, but still as of now I'm not able to see the shadow. But let me just make it blur and see. Okay, the shadow can't be seen because of this background. Background is also a little bit dark, but from this place you can just move this shadow and see. Okay, so as of now the shadow is not visible, but if you want to show the shadow and all from this option, you can do that. Now let's go to the third slide. Rest everything is same, just select some random options. This is the fourth one. Okay, so now as can be seen, my slider is ready. And this is how you can put a slider in for your website. And when it comes to the slider is basically mostly used in personalized websites or professional websites, like that of your website of your company and all. Okay, so this is basically used after the heading, just beneath your heading, just in order to show some pictures about your website. This also makes the navigation very easy. Okay, so if you want to show some slides and if you are providing the link and all, like that of this one on the button, then the navigation becomes easier. Okay, so this is all about slides, guys. Thanks for watching.